The previous video we are discussing question number. We have discussed question number 6. Let us see question number 7. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus x. Tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. Which equals to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x, the whole square. So we solve LHS and use the formula tan A plus B. The formula for tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. And in this also we use the formula tan A minus B. Tan A minus B. Tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Then tan pi by 4, this is 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4, again 1 multiplied by tan x, we get tan x, and whole upon then tan pi by 4, 1 minus tan x, and here 1 plus tan pi by 4, 1 into tan x, and this will be written in the multiple form. So 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x into, this becomes reciprocal. So 1 plus tan x and upon 1 minus tan x. So 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x and 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x. This becomes 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x, the whole square. Now question number 8. Cos, question, cos
bracket pi plus x cos bracket minus x upon sin pi minus x
sin pi minus x and
cos pi by 2 plus x
cos pi by 2 plus
x equals to cot square x
equals to
cot square x.
cot square. So we solve LHS and cos pi plus theta, cos pi plus x. This is the third quadrant, pi plus x. And in third quadrant cos is negative. In third quadrant, all school to college, in third quadrant cos is negative and there is no change. So cos pi plus x becomes minus cos x, and cos minus theta, this becomes plus cos theta. Sin pi minus x, sin pi minus x. The value of sin pi minus x. Pi minus x means second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive, so plus sin x into cos pi by 2 plus x. Second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative, so it becomes minus of sin x. So minus and minus cancelled. Cos x into cos x, cos square x, and sin x into sin x, sin square x, and cos square x upon sin square x. This becomes cot square x. Next. This is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Question number 9. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Then
cos 2 pi plus x
into cos 2 pi
plus x.
plus x. Then
बड़ा bracket cot
cot
bracket 3 pi by 2
3 pi by 2
minus x
minus x. Then
plus cot
plus
cot
cot
2 pi plus x
2 pi plus x
bracket close equal to 1.
equals to 1. So cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Which quadrant? 3 pi by 2 plus x. 3 pi by 2 मतलब 270 degree. 270 plus x. Fourth quadrant. And in fourth quadrant, cos is positive. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. And in 3 pi by 2 plus x, change or not change? Pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 plus x, change. 180 minus x, 180 plus x, no change. 270 minus x, 270 plus x, change. So this is 270 plus x. So change. So cos becomes sin. So it becomes sin x. And cos 2 pi plus x. In 2 pi plus x, it remains as it is. It behaves like a first quadrant. So sin x into cos x. And cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. This is third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot is positive. And in this there is change. So cot 3 pi by 2 minus x, it becomes tan x. And cot 2 pi plus x, it remains as it is, means cot x. So sin x into cos x, sin x into cos x, and tan x is written as sin x upon cos x, cot x is written as cos x upon sin x. So we get sin x into cos x, and taking LCM, cos x into sin x. We get cos x and cos x cancelled. So sin x into sin x, it becomes sin square x. Sin x cancelled, it gives cos square x. Cos x into sin x cancelled, and sin square x plus cos square x 1, which is RHS. So we get LHS equals to RHS. Then question number 10. Question number 10. Sin n plus 1x. Sin n plus 1 into x into sin n plus 2 into x. Sin n plus 2 into x plus cos n plus 1 into x. Cos n plus 1 into x into cos n plus 2 into x, and this is equals to cos x. So let n plus 1 into x equals to a. We suppose n plus 1 into x equals to a and n plus 2 into x equals to b, and we use the formula sin a. This becomes sin a into sin b plus cos a. This becomes a cos a into cos b. We are solving LHS. This becomes the formula cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b, which is equals to cos a minus b. Put the value of a and b. Cos, the value of a is n plus 1 into x, and the value of b is n plus 2 into x. So we get cos n into x plus x minus n into x minus 2 into x. Nx and nx cancel, and cos x minus 2x minus x, and cos of minus theta. This is plus theta. So we get RHS. Cos of minus theta equals to, जल्दी करो, cos of minus theta equals to cos theta. Now next question. This is question number 11. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x, and plus minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x equals to minus root 2 sin x equals to minus root 2 sin x. So use the formula cos a plus b. Cos a plus b. cos A plus B is written as cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B minus, and this is, in this we use the formula cos A minus B. So cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Now the value of cos 3 pi by 4. Cos 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree. Cos 3 pi by 4 means cos 135 degree. And cos 135 is written as cos 90 plus 45. And cos 90 plus 45 minus sin 45. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So it is minus 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So the value of cos 3 pi by 4, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 into cos x minus sin 3 pi by 4. Sin 3 pi by 4 means sin 135 degree. And this is written sin 90 plus 45. And sin 90 plus theta is cos theta, which is 1 by root 2. So minus the value of sin 3 pi by 4, 1 by root 2 into sin x. Remove the bracket, so minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. So minus plus 1 by root 2 cos x, and plus minus again sin 3 pi by 4, 1 by root 2 into sin x. So plus 1 by root 2 cos x minus 1 by root 2 cos x cancel, and minus 1 by root 2 sin x and minus 1 by root 2 sin x, minus 2 by root 2 sin x, and 2 by root 2 is written as minus 2 by root 2. We rationalize, multiply numerator and denominator by root 2 sin x. So minus root 2 and root 2 into root 2 sin x. So 2 gets cancelled and the result comes minus root 2 sin x, which is RHS. Question number 12. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equals to sin 2x into sin 10x. Sin 2x into sin 10x. So we use the formula sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B. This is equals to sin A minus B into sin A plus B. This is the formula for sin square A minus sin square B. So we solve LHS. Here the value of A is 6x and the value of B is 4x. So we use this formula sin A minus B means 6x minus 4x and into sin a plus b. So into sin 6x plus 4x. So sin 6x minus 4x, 2x sin 2x into sin 10x, which is RHS. Question number 13. Cos square 2x. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x equals to sin 4x into sin 8x. Sin 4x into sin 8x. So we use the formula cos a plus b into cos a minus b equals to cos square b, cos square b minus cos square b. The formula for cos square b minus cos square b, cos a plus b, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So let b equals to 2x and a equals to 6x. Let b equals to 2x and a equals to 6x, then it becomes cos square 2x minus cos square 6x equals to cos a plus b, means 6x plus 2x, and cos a minus b, 6x minus 2x. So we get cos 8x into cos 4x. Cos 8x into, but this is in terms of cos. This is in terms of cos. We'll have to write the formula in terms of sine. Question number 13. Cos square 2x. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equals to sin 4x into sin 8x. Sin 4x into sin. We use the same formula. Sin square a minus sin square b equals to sin of a minus b into sin of a plus b. We use the same formula. Now sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a. Sin square a is written as, and cos sin square b is written as 1 minus cos square b. So this becomes sin a minus b into sin a plus b. Now remove the bracket. So 1 minus cos square a minus 1 and minus minus plus cos square b equals to sin a minus b into sin a plus b. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel and we get the result cos square b minus cos square b is equals to sin a minus b into sin a plus b. So we have derived the formula and this formula we use. From this formula we derive the formula, and then we use this formula in this question. So the value of b is 2x. Let b equals to 2x and a equals to 6x. Put the value of b and a. So cos square 2x minus cos square 6x equals to sin a minus b. The value of a is 6x and the value of b is 2x into sin a plus b. So 6x plus 2x. So sin 6x minus 2x 4x and sin 6x plus 2x 8x. The result we get sin 4x into sin 8x, which is RHS. Now question number 14. Sin 2x. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x equals to
4 cos square
4 cos square
2x
2x
sin 4x.
into sin 4x. So we use the formula. We write sin 2x and sin 6x together. Sin 2x plus sin 6x would be written together, and plus 2 sin 4x. Now use the formula sin c plus sin d. What is the formula for sin c plus sin d? We use the formula sin c plus sin d. तो फॉर्मूले में देखो ना sin c plus sin d, इसलिए बोल रहा था ना कि फॉर्मूले एक जगह लिखो. फॉर्मूला फॉर sin c plus sin d. क्या होगा? बोल. Sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2
cos
2 sin c plus d by 2 into
cos c minus d by 2
cos c minus d by 2 and plus 2 sin 4x. Sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 and plus 2 sin 4x. ये है चीज. So 2 sin 2x plus 6x 8x 2 plus 6 8x upon 4x into cos 2x minus 6x minus 4x and minus 4x by 2 minus 2x and plus 2 sin 4x. Now 2 sin 4x and cos minus theta. This is cos plus theta. Cos of minus theta equals to cos theta and plus 2 sin 4x. From these two terms, 2 sin 4x is common. So 2 sin 4x common. We get 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x, and the formula for 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. So 2 sin 4x into 1 plus cos 2x is written as 2 cos square. So 2 into 2, 4 cos square. 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta. 2x है x है हाँ
तो यहाँ पे 2 लिखा था
1 plus cos 2 theta 2 cos square theta. So 2 into 2 4 cos square x into sin 4x, which is RHS. 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x minus 1, and minus 1 will go on left side. So it becomes the formula for 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x equals to 2 cos square